Hi again, Sam here from HP React. This time around it's the Zhiyun Smooth 4 Gimbal Stabilizer. Let's get going. Welcome to the zany world of the Zhiyun Smooth 4 Gimbal Stabilizer, where shaky videos go to die and smooth footage takes the throne. This gadget is like the caffeine your smartphone didn't know it needed. Get ready to amp up your filming game. First up, the Zhiyun Smooth 4 looks like it stepped out of a sci-fi flick, ready to teleport your videos to a smoother reality. It's sleek, sturdy, and feels like you're holding the future, minus any time travel side effects. Imagine a world where your videos glide smoother than a buttered up penguin on ice. That's what you get with this gimbal. It's like having a Hollywood Steadicam operator in your pocket, ready to make every TikTok and Instagram story as smooth as jazz. Features galore. This gimbal isn't just about stability, it's packed with features that make Spielberg wannabes weep with joy. Want to zoom with a flick of a wheel? Check. How about whipping out cinematic mode for that extra flair? Double check. It's the Swiss Army knife of video magic. Don't worry, you won't need an engineering degree to operate this bad boy. It's user-friendly enough that even your tech-challenged aunt could make her cat videos look like blockbuster hits. So, if you're looking to elevate your vlogging or just improve your video selfies, the Zhiyun Smooth 4 is your ticket to the big leagues. Say goodbye to shaky clips and hello to buttery smooth cinematic masterpieces. Hey, it's a wrap. Okay. My cat is ready for his close-up, so we'll catch you next time.